Okay, we're back. Got some gas here. $5, whatever that is in this state, over a gallon. So we got the bottle around here somewhere to plug it out. What do I do with it? Well, I might just start pouring fuel out of this thing. We'll see. The funnel. Yeah, it kind of fits in the tank. Alright, let's see if it starts pouring fuel out of it all over the place. That'll be enough to tell. Not leaking yet. That's a good sign. Definitely enough there to tell. Seeping. She's a seeping. Where did it come from? It plugged itself up. She swelled up. Not leaking now. Put some more fuel in it and see what happens. A third of a gallon to a half a gallon. What is spraying fuel over there? The tank has a hole in it. It's wet over here. What else going on? Shouldn't be pissing out of that. Yeah, I guess it is. Wonderful. It's leaking out of here. What the hell would be leaking out of that? The vent is leaking for some reason. Don't know why. See our fuel levels right here though. There's plenty enough fuel to run the bike on, that's for sure. That was weird. I guess it's pushing air out of there or something. There's an air hole over there. As fuel's going this way, it's shoving the air out that way. I guess it's spraying slightly out the side. And you see our fuel levels right here, so that's plenty to run on. Right here. So I'm good with that. We don't need no more fuel than that. It's only about half I put in. Half a gallon, I guess, maybe. Who knows? Alright. I think we got everything ready to go to make some noise. Let's go look at the carburetor over there and see what's going to take to adjust that thing and work it. I don't know. TVs usually have a idle adjustment way on the back side underneath the float bowl. Back up under here. Yep. So I need to get a screwdriver for that. Let's see, throttle is over here somewhere. I can just use that. That black handle's for right there. That's how you do it, right? Yeah, sure. Okay, I need idle mixture screw adjustment. There should be a, that's mixture. Where's idle speed at? Should be a screw on that someplace, all the way up here. Okay. Alright, where's my tools? Well, that's special. So the little screwdriver I need, I don't see it. Could have swore I brought it with me. Yeah. You have one of these for straight blade. This is a Phillips. I would only have one. That doesn't make sense at all. Thought I brought a handful of them things. That's straight blade. That's too big. Here it is. Right on here. There's my. There it is. See, that's been ground down to fit inside of idle passages. So up under there is your controller. Where's that? Way up in there. I don't think you can see that deep. Way back behind there is where it goes in. All right, we're gonna see what we got for an adjustment. I know how to get back to whatever they set it for. You know, they're experts. Get their name on it and everything, right in the carburetor. That means they're experts. Okay, so there's half. One and a half, two, and not quite 2 1/2, 2 3/8. Half, 1 1/2, 2 3/8. Okay, that's where they put that at. Okay, we're going to adjust this one up here. That needs to be a little Phillips. Okay, so Phillips. A little extra just to make sure there's something in there. Okay. All that stuff is in there. Choke goes on. Oh, I got dirty. Okay, I'll be back just a minute. Make sure I got everything right.